Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about one of the most important principles of regenerative gardening. Principle number 3, build relationships. Now, I'm not talking about friendships with your plants, although, hey, that can't do any harm, can it? What I'm really talking about is seeing your garden as part of a larger web, from the soil to the insects and the birds, even your neighbors. Everything we do in the garden is connected to something else. We're going to take a look at how things are interconnected today and explore how we can be garden stewards instead of garden conquerors. Stick around. While Alexander von Humboldt is often referred to as the father of ecology for his development of the idea of interconnected nature, it was zoologist Ernst Haeckel, who deeply admired Humboldt, who coined the word ecology. Ecology means the study of home, or more broadly, the study of place. One of my favorite ecologists once described it as the study of everything all at once. And honestly, that's not far from the truth. When we spray a pesticide to kill a pest, we have to ask, what was planning to eat that pest? Sometimes we spray and accidentally kill beneficial insects at the same time. But even if we don't spray them directly, when we eliminate their food source, we drive them away. And in some cases, pests are actually part of what keeps the system running. Let's take oleander aphids as an example. Those bright yellow bugs that love to crowd on narrowleaf milkweed. They're not a pretty sight, but spraying them can do more harm than good. Here's why. First, monarch butterflies often lay their eggs near these aphids. The eggs are tiny and pale. You could easily mistake one for an aphid. Spray the aphids, and you might kill monarch eggs or larvae too. Second, oleander aphids are specialists. They mostly stick to milkweed and oleander, so spraying them won't protect your tomatoes, peppers, or other garden plants. Third, and this is key, they're a food source for beneficial predators like ladybugs, lacewings, and syrphid fly larvae. If you wipe the aphids out, you're also removing a buffet for the very insects that help manage your garden naturally. When we rely on pesticides without thinking, two big problems can follow. First, pest resurgence. Spraying often kills both pests and their predators, but predators reproduce more slowly, so when the pests bounce back, there's no one left to keep them in check. You can end up with even more pests than before. Second, pesticide resistance. The more we use the same chemical, the more we favor pests that survive it. Those survivors pass on their resistance, and soon your spray doesn't work anymore. The Colorado potato beetle is a classic example. It's now resistant to over 50 different insecticides, including the infamous DDT. So, what should you do instead? This is where Integrated Pest Management, or IPM, comes in. Step 1. Monitor your garden. You're not just looking for pests, you're looking for beneficial insects too. Even organic sprays can harm the helpers. Step 2. Identify what you're seeing. Is that caterpillar a pest or a butterfly to be? If you're not sure, take a sample to your local nursery. Just be sure it's sealed in a bag. Step 3. Learn about it. Check the UC IPM website or other trusted resources. Don't just ask, how do I kill this? Ask, what is this doing here? Step 4. Decide what action to take, if any. IPM includes 4 types of controls: biological, cultural, mechanical, and chemical. I'll drop examples of each in a pinned comment below. But remember, always use the least harmful solution first. Step 5. Evaluate your results. Keep a journal. Note what you did, when you did it, and how it worked. A garden journal is one of the best tools a regenerative gardener can have. We're not just treating symptoms, we're supporting systems. Want to build better relationships in your garden? Here's a few ways to get started. Plant with companions, like marigolds with tomatoes, or the traditional indigenous three sisters, corn, beans, and squash. Create habitat for beneficial insects. That includes flowers, mulch, and even corners stacked with sticks or rocks. Use pesticides only as a last resort, and only when you're sure what you're dealing with. The more you support your garden's natural relationships, the less you'll need to fight nature.
Relationships take time, but they're worth it. In your garden, every connection matters. So the next time you find a critter, pause and think before you act. Now, next week we're going to take a short break from the 8 principles of regenerative gardening to answer a question that I got from one of my students. We're going to take a look at a couple of different ways to do soil texture tests, and we're going to explore how this knowledge can help us become better gardeners. In the meantime, what's one surprising relationship that you have seen in your garden? Aphids and ladybugs? Basil and tomatoes? Drop it in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And if this video was valuable for you, please drop a like, maybe send the video to one of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care of your garden and take care of yourselves. I'll see you there.